Hey, what's up everyone? I wanted to share a real simple meal that's really quick and easy to make if you're on the road and want some good protein and carbohydrates along with some vegetables, and it doesn't take very long to make. So what I'll do is I'll take the sweet potatoes here and just cut them up. You just take a full one, dice it up, and then take some asparagus, which is a really good vegetable to have because it has a lot of protein in it. And then I'll do some tuna, and this is all natural tuna. It's the type that's caught with a rod and reel, so it's a little bit more expensive, but I feel like it's, you know, the right way of catching fish, so it's not like a trolley line or anything like that. But what you do is you take the sweet potatoes and you want to put a little bit of cooking oil into your skillet, get that going, add your sweet potato, and then about 3 or 4 minutes later add your asparagus, and that way it all browns up about the same time. And then when you're done with that, just take a little bit of the Lowry seasoned salt and sprinkle that over the top of everything, and then mix it up, and then you can mix in your tuna, and it creates a really good meal that's literally takes like maybe 10 minutes to make. So I'm going to go ahead and make this up now, and I'll show you what it looks like when it's all done. Alright, so everything's cooking up nicely. As you can see, the sweet potato here has got a little bit of a brown to it, which is what I wanted before I threw in the asparagus. So I just put the asparagus in, and I'm going to give it about another 5 minutes for it to cook everything up. And then once that's done, I'll just take it off the heat. I did want to say that you want to use like about a medium heat when you're doing this. You don't want to do high heat or low heat. Low heat, it won't cook fast enough, and high heat, you'll just burn everything. So use like a medium heat. Make sure there's a good amount of cooking oil in there for everything to you know, get kind of the cooking oil over it, so that way everything cooks evenly. And just stir it up every once in a while and kind of flip over your sweet potatoes so that one side doesn't get burned like probably this one has. Yeah, a little bit, but it's all good. I mean, it tastes the same anyway. But once you're done with this, you just take a little bit of the Lowry seasoned salt and just dash it on there. You don't want to use too much because it can get a little overpowering, but a little bit goes a long ways. And just continue stirring this up, and then once you're done, you add the tuna in and you're good to go. So the Lowry seasoned salt, just for those who aren't aware, looks like this if you're at the grocery store. And then you just want to use some olive oil or some sort of cooking oil. You don't have to use that. You can use sunflower oil or anything else. And then I just use, like I said, some tuna, or you can do chicken as a sea if you prefer chicken over tuna. I mean, a sweet potato. Dice everything up, throw it in there, you're good to go. Hey, sorry about that. I started eating this and I got about halfway done and I realized, heck, I didn't film the last part of the video that I wanted to show y'all. So this is how it turned out. It's really good. You got your asparagus, your sweet potato, and then like your tuna. And the asparagus and sweet potato, like I said, you marinate that like a little bit with the cooking oil, and then you want to use the seasoned salt. And put the seasoned salt in about, just use like 2 or 3 dashes over the top of this without the tuna. You just want to do it with just the sweet potato and the asparagus. And you want to put that on about a minute before you take it off of the skillet. And that way you throw it on there and then you stir everything around with the seasoned salt and it gets nice and evenly distributed. Then you take that out, dump it on your plate, and then pour your, or not pour, but just put your tuna on top of there, mix everything up, and you're good to go. And this is a really, really good meal, and it's good for you, and it'll provide a ton of energy and just kind of make you feel really energized and satisfied after a long day of hiking or doing whatever in the backcountry. So if you have any questions, hit me up in the comment section below, and thanks for watching.